Hi, this is my winter arc day 24. So, what is the topic of today? Today's topic are habit building and how to do any habit, how to remove any habits. So that is the four simple why your body make habits. So that is why because you have energy you have energy and small things like your habits, so your body are why are like if you are if you are brushing, so that is the why brushing and your mind daily repeated daily repeated daily, so you so that is the habit. So your brain thinks why I do why I do why I give that energy daily for thinking, for daily brushing, daily that thing. So that thing do that. So can we do in autopilot? So your brain doing that's work in autopilot. Your habits are like daily building. If you have any bad addiction, that is the same way. You are stressed. Think you are stressed, and you are a smoker, why video gamer, multiple things. uh, Suppose you are a smoker, not suppose but suppose you are a smoker. So if you have a stressed, so like four things you have stress, and you are going to do smoking for reduce their stress. There are auto habit builds, so why are like your brain smoking equal to stress relief. So that is why your habit builds, why your habits makes. So that is the video, and how it solves the why it goes, why you create an habit for four things. That is like craving craving, response, and reward. So if you have if you have mobile and you have like notification in your mobile, ring motivation on your mobile, and you are reading like this, like you are in mind if in your mind a signal comes like, oh, something is important in my, that's giving your brain giving signal for, that is the for you are in your mind, you have a desire for that thing. So that is the first is the cue. And after this craving, like you have desire, so i want to I want to grab my phone and check my check my notifications. So second thing is that's on, and the third thing are craving, response. You are you grab your mobile and check notification, and in your mind you have reward system. You mind give you a reward for dopamine or some dopamines for what you work. So that is the four way, and why your habit builds. First cue, like signals for that's, or like second is a craving for your desire, like I want to do this thing, I want to do smoke. That is the second is the if you have any bad addiction, I did not want to say, but if you consume any drugs, like if you smoke, so that is the same thing. like uh, First you see a cigarette, so take a cigarette of any smoking things. First you see that's you are like your mind like crave your mind like you craving, like signal giving signal, I want to do this thing now. Signal, like there are signal. And second is the signal, your mind gives signal for do that thing for your stress relief, for mm, you did not do this that thing of in many days. Can you try like desire in your mind. And third thing is cue craving. And thing is response. Response is like you do that thing, you do you do uh, you do smoke, and after this reward, you are in your mind, you have reward for you do for your mind give you reward of dopamine. So that is the problem is in your mind like problem is the cue and craving, solution is the reward, response and reward. So that is the thing. So how to quit any addiction? First, how to quit any addiction? First, the cue is like your trigger. How you trigger, how you want, like if you have any trigger, like if you see any smokers doing this thing, first make anything, like if you want any bad addiction, so first make it invisible. Make it invisible first. That's like no trigger your mind. And if you like first phase, or you try to be daily for make it invisible, like it is the nothing things for me and multiple things. And second thing are craving, your desire, you want to do thing. This is wrong, that is the like imagine your bad thing, this is very imagine you doing that thing, and that is the very bad. Your present, your after future, you are a bad guy, uh, like this. You are a not a bad, you are a bad, you are like a multiple bad things. You are not a man if you smoke. After this your lungs like a black, visible like black. Imagine that. If like this is a bad thing, very disgusting thing. Second thing is and craving. And third thing are response. Don't do any response, like run away from that thing, go away, far away from that thing. And don't do response. And imagine you are like that is bad. And this reward, if you do any, don't do any reward, like your mind not like a not reward by that thing. So that is the how to be cancel. um First thing, made is invisible, bro. Any things you want to live in your life, you want to you want to do, remove that thing. And how to build any habit, so make it system, make it first cue, first cue like trigger. Make it simplify. If you want to go with running shoes with your when you wake up early and running, so make it simplify. You do better, you do very simple, more simple than like in your shoes in front of your front of while you sleep, front of inside of your, like this. First make it simple and make it obvious. Craving, so like if you have stress, go with running, you do any exercise. So that is the thing you do. And make exercise re- in this topic give you reward. So this is a long video, and I did not want sorry, I did not say that thing properly in this video. In next video I say about this, and I say about by better things. I i want to convince not convince. I want to. I so peace out. In next video, I I say my word properly and how it works, how to do, how to. But in my mind, in present, my mind are not working. So that is the I did not want to suppress my words from that thing. So this is my winter art day 24. In tomorrow videos, I do complete. I do very. I do complete suppress my words to you. So peace out. Work off for work for your goals with consistency. Bye.